Hello guys, I've got something really cool to show you. Hang around. I am so excited. What else is new, right? I got two canvases back that I got framed at Michael's. I know Michael's can be pricey, but you know what? When they have that sale, buy one frame, get one free, you can request at Michael's at the frame counter that you want it framed using in-house products. So they don't send the canvas off. They use a mat that they have in-house, and you pick out the frames off the floor. Buy one, get one free. And there's coupons they can apply. Or if you're a teacher or military, they give discounts. So both these frames, my total order, I think, was $90. I don't remember exactly. For two decent-sized canvases. They weren't huge and they weren't tiny. But, oh my gosh, they came out so good. So good. And the girls there all know me. When I walk in holding a box or holding a canvas because I don't have the box, they're like, ooh, what'd you make now? We want to see it. And I kid you not, at least two of them flock to the frame counter so they can see it. Well, first, let me tell you about the first one. Okay, the first one. Okay, the first one was Tall and Tender. I did this canvas for Paws and Claws 2025 with Anxiety Art Adventure, Laura. She's the owner of We Wax Crafts. I did this canvas for her event. It's a 15.8 inch by 15.8 inch or 40 by 40 centimeters. That's the design size. The fabric size is 48 centimeters by 48 centimeters, 18.9 by 18.9. It had 19 colors with one AB. Yep, it had an AB, guys, so I didn't have to add any. It had an AB. The colors were browns and grays, and I had a really good time with it. And I don't think I actually took any other notes on it. No, I did not. Just that I started it August 1st and I finished it August 15th. And it had 19 colors for total drills of 9,549 drills, and it was a Diamond Dots canvas. I got this one as a gift from a friend, and she's going to receive this for her bathroom because her bathroom is giraffes, and I've been friends with her like forever and never knew her bathrooms were giraffes. Didn't know that till like, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago when we were hanging out and I went to use her bathroom and I'm like, your bathroom has giraffes in it. She says, yeah, it's always had giraffes. I went, oh, ding, 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 ding. Light went on. So, don't you want to see how it came out? Ah! So this is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like so you can get refreshed. All right, let's take a look, shall we? My grandson always says that. Shall we? Okay. Look at this. I'm trying not to have a glare. See if I can go further back. Yeah, I'm no good at this, guys. There we go. Hold on. Let's go up. Isn't that something? The glare is horrible. Let me see if I can move it a little bit. Yeah, the glare happens when I hold it straight, but isn't that pretty? There we go. It came out so nice. So nice. So that is my giraffes. And she's going to be so happy. Yep, I just love the sparkle. You can't see it, but the ABs are in here and in the face. The whites of the giraffe have the ABs in it. The next one is one I wanted to do for a family that cooked a meal, helped us out, was a big support for us when we started this cancer journey. And they're expecting a baby. And they told us, they shared with us, that the nursery is llamas. I mean, llamas? Ding, 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 ding. Another light bulb went off because I have a Diamond Dots canvas that I got at Joann's for like $2. It was on clearance. And then, well, it was like $4.47 or something, and then it was an additional 50% off or something like that. It was before they closed, obviously. So I started this. It's Diamond Dots canvas. It's Lulu Llama. I'm doing it this month for Breast Cancer Awareness Month with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 with the Crafty Chef Diamond and Diamond Pita. I started it October 1st, finished it on the 17th, and it is back. It is framed. It is beautiful. It had 16 colors. Plus, I used crystals. The whole necklace on the llama was mine. My idea. I recharted it with leftover crystals that I had from the princess canvas and the shoe I've done and the butterfly, the stand-up. I had a lot of special drills. Trash was not bad. Not bad for the llama. I have all the special drills. And it is a fabric size. It's 40 by 50, 15.7 inch by 19.7 inch. The fabric size is 32 centimeters by 42, or 12.6 inch by 16.5 inch. This came out so good, so good. And I'm going to give it to them tomorrow. So I needed to get this video up so you could see it before we don't have it anymore. So, whoops, sorry about that. There's the llama to refresh your memory on it. I finished this canvas for this month's Breast Cancer Awareness Month because there's a lot of pink in it. So let's take a look at llama. Okay, let me move giraffe. And okay. There she is. Look at the llama. Isn't that beautiful? I blinged up the whole necklace. I blinged up the pink in her face, and I put a few ABs in her eyes. So that is the llama. So it's a pretty decent size. I love the frame. I just love the one we picked out. The matte, love the matte. I love everything about it. And like I said, together these two were $90 or something. And I had a voucher from a previous purchase. So I had $5 off plus my discount, because you can stack discounts at Michaels. And when you make a purchase this big, you do get voucher points. And I have a $15 voucher sitting in my wallet at Michaels. So if you subtract 15 from 90, you get $75 for these two. And that's them doing all the work. That's the matting, the frame, and I just can't beat it. It's a good deal for me. It might not be for you, but for me it is. I love it. So there is the llama. And here's giraffes again. Aren't they cute? I think we did good. Me and the girls at Michaels, I think we did good with picking these out. Good job, Michaels. Make it with Michaels. That's the hashtag. Finally got that right too. So I hope you will try Michaels. I am not an affiliate for Michaels. I don't get any kickback from Michaels, but I do enjoy walking around Michaels. The staff there is wonderful, and you have to give them a try. So, and don't forget, use your discounts. Use your discounts. All you got to do is put your phone number in. It's free. And just let them know you want to know what kind of discounts they give, and make sure you get your discount. So give them a try. I'm pampered with diamonds. Yep, that's me. And I can't wait to give these two canvases to their new owners. And remember to be kind.